Today's video is a sharpening video on this knife in front of me. A Smith & Wesson Black Ops from the Black Ops series. It's an assisted opening knife. .40-34 steel. This one has seen a lot of use and is dull as a spoon, and it has some tip damage, and I will try to fix this on the yet sharpening machine. So let's get it over to the sharpening bench. So I set up the yet sharpening machine to an angle of 24 degrees exclusive, because I want to sharpen this Smith & Wesson, and this is somewhat softer steel. So I will set the angle a bit bigger to prevent this soft steel from rolling. So I marked the edge, and let's see how it works out. I did grind on the higher grit, 1000 grit, because of the softer metal. I had to remove a lot of material at the tip, because the tip was damaged. It was just a piece broken off, but I think it worked out. And now I have to strop it, and I think you can see that also the recurve did go fine. Now just dropping it to get it all smooth, but the tip worked out very good. I think I'm done. and I will take it to the table to show it. So back at the tabletop, the tip portion was, well, there wasn't a tip anymore, and now the knife has a tip again, not as sharp and pointy as it was originally, but hey, it has a tip again. So let's see if it's sharp. Yes, that's sharp, clean cut. So I think Theo will be happy. So the Smith & Wesson, one of the Black Ops series, soft steel, broken tip, and I think it will work for a while. Let's see if it shaves hair. Yeah, it pops hair. So that's it for now. Bye bye.